So students, have you ever noticed how students are grouped into class 6, class 7, class 8 and class 9? Why? Because each class has a different level. Similarly, polynomials are also grouped according to their degree. Today we will learn these groups in the easiest way. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Learning Corner Sync. In the last video, we learned degree of a polynomial. So today we will learn types of polynomial based on the degrees with simple explanations, real life examples and easy trick. Let's begin. So here you are seeing the algebraic expression 5x cube x 2 plus 2x minus 1. So there are three terms. Now watch the degree of what is the highest power. So 3 is the highest power. Clear? So here the highest degree is 3. So this degree tells us how powerful the polynomial is. So why do we classify polynomials exactly? Just like books are arranged by class, polynomials are also arranged by their degree. This makes them easier to study. So let's start with first type of polynomial. Constant polynomials. So first type is constant polynomials. So here we understand with the help of examples. 7. So why 7? Do you see any x with 7? No. So I have told you in the previous videos that you can imagine as x की power 0. Clear? So x की power 0 is equal to 1 only. So here what is the degree of polynomial? 0. That's why it is a constant polynomial. Now minus 15. So similar way we put x की power 0. So 0 is the degree of this polynomial or 1. So this classify it as constant polynomial. Clear? So let's say we understand this concept with the help of real life example. Let's say a fixed parking fee of rupees 50 for a parking area. Whether one car comes or 10 car comes, the fee stays rupees 50. Clear? That's constant. अगर आप मॉल की पार्किंग में भी जाते हो, अगर 50 रुपीज फिक्स है एक कार के लिए, तो चाहे एक कार आए, चाहे दो कार आए, चाहे 10 कार आए, सबको 50 रुपीज पे करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स वाई कांस्टेंट, इट इज क्लासिफाइड एज कांस्टेंट polynomial. Now moving to the next category or type, linear polynomials. So evaluate this algebraic expression. What is the degree of polynomial? Here 1, here we can assume is at 1. So what is the highest degree? It's 1. That's why it is a degree 1 identifies the linear polynomial. Okay? Clear? Now we understand this with the help of real life example. Suppose one notebook cost rupees 30. So what is the cost? 30x. 30x, where x is the number of notebooks. Clear? So if I say to you, bring one notebook, what is the cost? 30 into 1 means rupees 30. If I ask you to bring 5 notebooks, what is the cost? 30 into 5. 150 is the cost. Clear? So as notebooks increase, what happens? The cost also increases in a straight line. That's why it is called linear. Linear means straight line. If cost is 30 of one book, 2 is 60, it is extending in the linear way. Okay, clear? Linear. So highest degree, identify, if highest degree is 1, then it is linear polynomial. Next type is quadratic polynomial. So evaluate this algebraic expression. First of all, we watch x. So values of degrees of variable is 2, 1, 0. So what is the highest degree? 2. That identifies that it is a quadratic polynomial. So real life, let's correlate with real life example. Suppose you throw a ball. So it goes in, the path of the ball is curved. And that curved path is described by a quadratic equation. Clear? Now, next type, cubic polynomial. So, evaluate this algebraic expression. So, what is the highest degree of a variable? 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 0. Okay. So, highest degree is 1. These are the terms. So, if the highest degree is 3, then it is a cubic polynomial. Now, let's say, imagine filling a cube-shaped water tank with water. The amount of water depends on the height of cube, correct? Height, length, and breadth. Clear? So, this leads to cubic relationships. So, highest degree in this case is 3. Clear? Now, moving to the next category. So, highest degree of a polynomial. Let's understand with the help of example. So, we watch the degrees of a polynomial. These are the terms 5, 1, 0. So, highest degree is 5. So, we say it as highest degree of a polynomial, that is 5th degree of polynomial. Clear? Now, let's move to the some pictorial represented that will help you to memorize this clearly. So, if the degree of a variable is 0, it's constant, 1 linear, 2 quadratic, 3 cubic, 4 quartic, 5 quintic. Okay, you have to remember till 9th you have to concentrate on the constant, linear, quadratic, cubic. I told you this 4 and 5 as additionally, so you can get extra tip on your mind. So you can remember with these words CLQ. This is the term you can memorize in your mind. Constant, linear, quadratic, cubic, and quartic. Last is quintic. Quintic is 5. Clear? So 0 is constant, 1 is linear, 2 is quadratic, and 3 is cubic. Clear? So remember these two graphic representations. Okay, now we will move to the practice question. So first question is 5. So we will wait for 5 seconds. Okay. So 5. So till then you can guess the answer till I tell you the answer. So yes, this is single term and we can say the x is equal to 0. 5 into 1 is equal to 1, 5. So degree of polynomial is 0. That's why it's a constant polynomial. Now second one, 2x plus 9. So guess your answers till I tell you the answer in few 5 seconds. Yes. So there are two terms, and what is the highest degree? 1. So that's why it is a linear polynomial. Now next, move to the next question. X square minus 6. So let's wait. So pause the video, guess the answer till I tell you the answer in few seconds. Yes. So x square minus 6. We can write it as x0. Watch the highest degree. Highest degree is 2. 2 और 0 में कौन highest है? So that's why it is a quadratic polynomial. Clear? Now, next question. 4x cube plus 7. So I'm waiting for 5 seconds. Quickly guess your answer and till I tell you the answer. So yes, 4x cube and this. So highest degree is 3. That's why it is cubic polynomial. Now moving to the next question. X5 plus 1. So guess the answer. Let me know your scores for the practice questions in the comment section. So I wait for 5 seconds and let you know the answer. Yes. So what is the highest degree? 5. So it is fifth degree polynomial, or we can say quintic polynomial. You will say only fifth degree of polynomial because it's your exam related only. You have to remember till cubic only. Okay. Now you have a quick exam trick. So CBSE often asks identify the degree, name the polynomial according to the डिग्री. जैसे कि इसमें 5 और 0 है तो ये कौन सा पॉलिनोमियल हुआ? फिफ्थ डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. करेक्ट. आपसे ये भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन डिग्री एंड नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो डिग्री क्या है? 3 है. और ये कौन सा एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है? क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल है. और इसमें कितने टर्म्स है? 2 टर्म्स है. सो क्लियर. You have to watch the expression carefully and you can score full marks, I guarantee you. So today we learned constant polynomials, linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials and highest degree of polynomials. Also the easy memory tricks. So if this video made types of polynomial based on degree easy to understand, like the video, comment the degree of 7x4 plus 3x square minus 1 in the comment section. Subscribe to Learning Corner Singh. See you in the part 5 value of polynomial. Till then, bye bye.